Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch, and you can see I got 2 pairs of glasses on because I'm actually super intelligent in terms of cryptocurrency, bro. I'm just like insane, making insane theoretical calls. Anyway, everything I say here is not financial advice. I just discuss things that I find interesting. That I study crypto. I absolutely do not advocate for crypto to be invested in. I just study the market so you can apply it to real markets with securities and stuff. Please ask a financial advisor about those markets. There's a reason I don't talk about those markets. It's because I'm not certified. This is just for fun and theoretical, obviously, and so on and so forth. So definitely go speak to a financial advisor about real investing in the real world. This is purely for education and fun, okay? If you can't see that, I don't know what you're doing. So on and so forth. So today we're going to be talking about everything going on in the market. I'm a huge stacks bull if you're new here. We're going to be talking about ordinals. I've been getting more into ordinals, and that's for this reason. Bitcoin whales have a ton of money, I think. I think they're going to spend their money. Retail is coming back when Bitcoin breaks all-time high, and they're already coming back. They crashed Coinbase the other day. It would be smart to start paying attention to this. There's a lot of good cheap plays, I think, in my opinion, that could be worth a ton of theoretical Bitcoin one day. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. So let's take you through a story here. This is from Max Long, good guy. The first meme coin on Bitcoin will be listed on Coinbase and Binance this year, and there's nothing you can do about it but making generational Welsh. I agree. I think the memes on Stacks got way out of control. There's new memes dropping every day. You had Play, you had Max, which was a duck the other day. Play was a penguin. You got Pepe, you got all these things. So I believe in consolidating right now just for a while to see where the market goes. That doesn't mean I don't like Leo. It doesn't mean I don't like Gus, right? But theoretically, that's what I would do. It's not bad to have exposure to all those. Remember, there's Long to the Dragon. So all interesting and fun. But to me, it's getting way out of hand right now in the medium or short term. So I've been tweeting a lot about how I've thought about consolidating those positions if I were to be in them. It only makes sense to me at this point. Okay, now that's a tweet here demonstrating I don't like to make things up. I have been tweeting this, right? Memes on Stacks, all stupid except Pepe, Welsh, and the Pinnacle DeFi meme stack swap. All else down because I'm mean. Now, if you don't know what stack swaps is, it's basically the shitcoin emporium for Stacks memes. You can buy, sell anything you want on there. Inappropriate, appropriate. I don't condone the super inappropriate. I think they maybe should do something about that. So just declaration that there is some inappropriate things on there. But again, I think the worse the UI, the more people want it, this bull run for Bitcoin. They're realizing Bitcoin is being built on. They don't care how bad it is. It is a meme in and of itself to be investing in terrible UI, terrible products at this point. And we call it stack swap. We are now pumping. I think we go even higher. I think we've got like a wedge forming here. Could be wrong. You know, the market caps on different platforms are all over the place. This is not a main big, even though this is a DeFi play, this is not part of my theoretical thesis. I will never add something to my Bitcoin DeFi plays, which are like ARKADIKO, Alex, things that haven't been released like Bitflow, Tap, Track, Ghosty Cash, right? Those are all in there. If I ever take something out, oh, Orange is in there, but it actually went down. We'll be talking about that today. If I ever decide to add anything to a theoretical portfolio in a case study that we're doing, I will explicitly say it, and I'll probably add another pair of glasses to my head. Don't know why, don't care. Okay, as you can see, I was right. Welsh is absolutely popping off. If you go to some of the other memes, like you could see, without a doubt, you could see a bear flag forming. Some people said it was a bull flag. I mean, maybe I'm missing something. But to me, let's see if we can, let's see. Why is it not showing up? Okay, yeah, you could see the bull flag, the bear flag right here, right down, trying to get up and then down again, right? You could also see that with Leo. I don't know if this has broken down yet, or if it will break down. I actually like Leo more. Is this Leo too? Let's see if this is Leo. You can see, okay, so this is Leo, right? You can see the bear flag here again too. I don't know if this is going to break down. This is a little more higher quality. I think there's a team behind it. These tools that I'm using right now are from Leo. So if you are going to add another one, I would add Leo in my opinion. All the others do nothing, like Long, Gus, all that. So to me, this only makes sense, right? And I honestly have no idea what I'm talking about. You arrive at your own conclusions. Please don't do anything I'm saying. These are meme coins. There is no intrinsic value at this point, unlike Bitcoin, which we all agree is maybe a base layer of the financial system, either with US dollars or the euro dollar or, you know, national currencies or Bitcoin itself. That's yet to be seen. I'm not taking a position on that. I'm not political. I'll never be political about that in the future. I used to be a Bitcoin maxi. I'm recovering. I want every nation to prosper. I want every currency to prosper. I want every government and citizen to prosper, right? So I don't know how it's going to end up. I just want it to end up well for everybody, okay? So again, let's go reviewing. TAP Sora dropped down to like 10 cents. It pumped back up to 18 cents. We're going to do a quick refresh, see if it's still at 18 cents. I bring up these tabs earlier, so it's still at 18 cents. This is a meme, first meme on AI meme on TAP. I don't know what it's going to do. You know, if you're going to have a small allocation, I would hold it. You know, it reminds me of Ordi a little bit, but, you know, that's just a hunch, right? That's not anything based in fact or any, right? It's, I have no idea how many shares are. Like, I just don't care. This is, this would never be a main theoretical portfolio, but pretty interesting. Okay, so another one, Karma, which is here, Tap Karma. This was airdropped. I think it's holding pretty strong. If you had TRAC, you got a lot of them. I do think they are forming partnerships. I don't know if I had it. Let's go see if I can go to my webpage here. Let's see. Yeah, here it is. So I'm holding my Karma and Sora because I have significant axon misfiring within the global cortex, with that, which is my brain. As you can see, I wrote that sentence, so there is definitely axon misfiring within the nerve fibers. Okay. I don't know if they're having a card. That would be interesting to me, though. It's good branding. I'm holding. It was airdropped, right? I didn't pay anything for this. Theoretically, if you did get an airdrop, I'm not a trader. I hold things. I make initial investments theoretically, and then I don't trade them until long-term capital gains tax kicks in, and so on and so forth. Please look into your laws for your jurisdiction for all that stuff. Please don't listen to me. Okay, now let's go talk about what I think is interesting. I think these, and you can see this little graph down in the corner, node rocks, right? These things were like $50 the other day. I think they're now pushing 300. There's tons of activity happening, right? You can see it here, 23 buys. I think these are so brain deranged that I think they continue to pump. I think people are fading them, right? You can see the chart. It's absolutely bonkers. Low market cap. Well, I wonder what the market cap is of this. Floor, total volume. Let's see. Does it say it on here what the market cap is? No, it doesn't. I think you're going to have to go to CoinGecko. Well, whatever. It's 10,000 with the floor price. You can do the multiplication. I don't know. You know, these are a little different than like a coin or whatever. So please reference CoinGecko, some various other sources. But I think the populace like this. They're low. They're kind of cheap. They're completely brain deranged. Big fan. Like, I don't know. I think it's a high risk reward bet. I mean a low risk, high reward. I mean, $50. What does it turn into? 20 grand maybe, or 50 grand, or 100 grand? You know, who knows? Maybe $500, maybe $1,000. Who cares? There's no rhyme or reason to this, right? Like I said, I made videos about this. You're not an art connoisseur. You're never going to be an art connoisseur. Just relax and have fun with it, right? But I do think these are good because retail is coming, right? I bought a turd rock the other day. It looked just like this. I think I have it on my homepage. Go check it out. Again, DMT, I've been saying I don't think this is good for coins. I think it's very confusing. Coins based on data make no sense to me. But to me, art based on data makes a lot more sense just inherently. It's just a feeling that I have. I think it makes it a unique type of system, right? Now, it's not Ordinals, right? Because on Ordinals, you can pick the Satoshis, you can pick the rare Satoshis, pizza Satoshis, palindrome Satoshis, right? I think this is a different system. I think they're synergistic. I don't think one is going to take from the other. I think they add to each other. I think that's a balanced approach to take. If you're not balanced, go find another YouTuber, bro. Okay, we're balanced here, baby. Anyway, I think this is an interesting bet to take. Pepe, everyone knows Pepe on ETH pump. Pepe on Stacks is pumping now. I think that's over here. No, this is Stack Swap. We talk about this. So if you want to see Pepe, let's see if Pepe's here. I'll bring it up. G Pepe? Why is it always so? Okay, here it is. Pepe, as you can see, it pumped 30,000%. We were talking about this with another ETH guy at around 50K market cap. I don't even know what it's up to now. Can we see what the market cap of this is? Yeah, we can. Sorry, my P key is makes me go to full screen. It's now at 3.76. So this is a meme coin. This is obviously not part of a real thesis, right? This is just fun, but it's a trend. Pepe is a trend, right? I'm picking that up, and that's why I'm interested in this DMT. First of all, I'm interested in DMT. The Nat Cats have absolutely pumped. If you don't know what a Nat Cat is, just go to Magic Eden, right? Let's see if we can get to it. Nat Cats. Oh, here they are. Volume. Right. So these are based on data. Okay. Go watch some of the videos from Block Runner. They came up with digital matter theory. So these have been pumping hard. Obviously, you had to buy these in Discords. I knew about this, but you know, buying something in a Discord over the counter is quite a sketchy proposition. It can be done. It was done with Gib on tap. If you don't know what Gib on tap is, you can do this here. Right, you've got to get into Discords. Here it is, tab Gib. Let's see what, I mean, these were going at 2 cents. And as you can see, these are at 13 cents. So 10x, if you can get into the Discord, same with these Natcats. The Discord is the only way to get in at the very, very bottom, or the Telegrams or whatever, until they post. But, you know, high risk for scams, right? So on and so forth. So you have to know your risk tolerance, right? Use burner wallets, so on and so forth. Use Xverse wallet because it tells you that what's going in and out because of clarity language, so on and so forth. So much better than an EVM chain, in my opinion. So let's keep going. So here we go. Here's my Pepe GM, right? I love it. Cup of coffee. GM is notorious for crypto Twitter. You have to make these connections quickly. I can't tell that for you. I think this cup of coffee is a brilliant play. If these Pepes do pump, again, these Pepes could go to zero. Interesting play, in my opinion. For me, you know, crypto is understanding the meme. Good morning, right? GM is part of the meme. Crappy UI, part of the meme, right? Brain deranged plays, right? Pepe can't be bought easily on a horrible UI exchange with another Pepe coin that can't be bought because of no liquidity, right? All these things completely nonsensical. The more nonsense that it has, the more likely the meme is going to pump. Now, this doesn't apply to real thesis. This applies to the meme thesis, okay, obviously. If you can't follow me, I understand. You need to have at least an IQ of a 4th grader. Okay, now, Orange absolutely dropped. It's, you know, all this is high risk. It went down to 26 cents, I think, here. This guy is saying unlocks for the coins, right? There's a chance Orange is a scam. I don't believe it is. I think they're in with a lot of seed investors. They're in with a lot of KOLs. I do think eventually this is going to pump, but I could be wrong, right? Not financial advice. I've never taken payment from these people. I've never taken payment from any coin. And if I do become a partner, I will explicitly say it. I have never, ever, ever, ever taken money. The only way I've made money is you guys volunteer, become members, which I greatly appreciate, for fun and content, not for investing. This is absolutely not about investing. You should use regulated markets for that, right? This is just for fun, interesting activity. Okay, as you can see, Orange. I think this is the Pico bottom. I mean, I think the unlock happened. Could I be wrong? Could this go to zero? Could they never release their full product and they stay in beta? Sure, there could be things they're not telling us about, like fatal flaws in the code, right? All of this is high risk. You know, that's why there's theoretically so much reward, right? Because these market caps are so low in the millions. You know, you're not getting these at the billions like a Snapchat IPO or a Facebook Meta IPO, so on and so forth. So interesting play here. I really still like this in terms of Bitcoin DeFi. I think the web wallet is the natural next or not the web wallet, also the mobile wallet, any type of wallet, is the natural next step for DeFi and interacting with DeFi, integrating with DeFi, but also gaming, right? If you're into gaming, there's a lot of opportunity there. I think gaming and AI has tremendous upside. There's so much to pick. I think you're not going to make as good as returns as Bitcoin DeFi. I've said that over and over again. You know, I could be wrong, right? If you get the Big Tensor or Palm AI, right, when it's a low market cap, or you get some others, absolutely the best. I'm looking elsewhere. Still only focused on Bitcoin DeFi. Everything else I talk about, memes, decentralized identity, ordinals, all those are just for fun. You have to decide if you're interested in those things. And also Bitcoin DeFi, right? I'm just talking. It doesn't mean you should be interested. Please form your own thesis. I'm just giving you ideas, and it's fun and interesting to talk about. Anyway, okay, sorry. I wish I had more of a hunch today. But I've had some good hunches. You guys have got to admit. It's just give me a thumbs up in the comment section if you think I've had some brilliant hunches. Anyway, this is releasing early for members. So if you're seeing this, you're late. You may have made a wrong play. And I appreciate all the support, right? We've been growing, and I appreciate that. So I've got a hunch, and the hunch is you are awesome, and you are your own independent person. You're going to make good decisions, and I believe in you, okay? You've got this.